French Minister of Armed Forces Florence Parly announced France's decision to order 12 Rafale fighters to replace those sold to Greece. His ministry said on its website the same day that Direction Générale de l'Armement, DGA, France's arms procurement agency, would place orders with Dassault Aviation, Safran and Thales in February. Parly made the announcement during his visit to Dassault Aviation's factory in Argonne. The new Rafale F-3R will replace 12 of the 18 aircraft sold to Greece, according to the Ministry of Armed Forces. The ministry said that the French Air and Space Force will have 129 Rafales with increased capabilities, in line with the objectives of France's Loi de Programmation Militaire, LPM, Military Funding Program 2019-25. The 12 Rafales are expected to be delivered by 2025 and will be in addition to the 28 predicted by the LPM to be produced from December 2022. The replacement of the 12 used aircraft and their sensors will provide the French Air and Space Force with new equipment and capabilities, the ministry said. Dassault Aviation and its industrial partners thank the French Ministry of the Armed Forces, French Defense Procurement Agency DGA, and the Armed Forces for their newfound trust. The new Rafales will serve as a replacement for the 12 aircraft sold to the Greek Air Force. Manufactured by Dassault Aviation, the Rafale is a twin-jet multi-role fighter capable of performing a wide range of short and long-range missions, including land and sea attacks. It was developed for the French Navy and French Air Force and is capable of conducting land and sea attacks, reconnaissance, high-accuracy strikes and nuclear strike deterrence. Dassault Aviation has signed a contract for the sale of 12 Rafale fighter jets to the French Air and Space Force, FASF. The contract was signed on January 29 by Dassault Aviation Chairman and CEO Éric Trappier and French Minister of the Armed Forces Florence Parly. Parly is on a visit to the Argonne factory in Haute-Savoie, which manufactures flight control systems for all Dassault aircraft. Éric Trappier said, "The contract for these 12 new aircraft will allow our air and space forces to continue construction of the Rafale pending the fifth phase, which is slated for delivery between 2027 and 2030. The contract is a great satisfaction for Dassault Aviation. Thales, Safran and the 500 French companies involved in this program are in the very difficult conditions facing our aeronautical sector in the context of the COVID crisis.